Traditional Turkish cuisine is renowned for its rich flavors, diverse ingredients, and centuries-old culinary traditions. The country's geographical location, history, and cultural influences have all contributed to the unique and delicious foods it offers. Here are some traditional Turkish foods and delights, along with famous places where you can enjoy them. 1. Kebabs. Kebabs are a cornerstone of Turkish cuisine. Various types of kebabs, such as doner, rotisserie cooked meat, sis kebab, skewered and grilled meat, and koft, grilled meatballs, are widely popular. You can find exceptional kebabs at local eateries and restaurants throughout Turkey. 2. Meez. Meez are a selection of small, flavorful dishes often served as appetizers. They include items like hummus, baba ganoush, stuffed grape leaves, and various salads. You can enjoy a wide array of meez at Meyhane-style restaurants, particularly in Istanbul's lively neighborhoods like Beyoğlu. 3. Turkish breakfast. Kahvaltı. Turkish breakfast is a delightful and hearty meal that typically includes olives, cheese, tomatoes, cucumbers, honey, jam, eggs, and freshly baked bread. You can experience an authentic Turkish breakfast at local cafes and restaurants across the country. 4. Baklava. Baklava is a famous Turkish dessert made of layers of flaky pastry filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with syrup or honey. Gaziantep, a southeastern city in Turkey, is renowned for producing some of the best baklava in the country. 5. Turkish delight. Lokum. Turkish delight, known as lokum, is a sweet confection made from starch, sugar, water, and flavorings like rosewater, citrus, or nuts. You can find a wide variety of lokum in Istanbul's Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar. 6. Pita. Pita is a type of Turkish flatbread often topped with ingredients like cheese, ground meat, and vegetables. It's similar to pizza but with a unique Turkish twist. You can enjoy freshly baked pita in local bakeries and restaurants. 7. Manti. Manti are small, dumpling-like parcels typically filled with spiced meat and served with yogurt and a flavorful tomato sauce. Kayseri, a city in central Turkey, is renowned for its manti. 8. Lahmacun. Also known as Turkish pizza, lahmacun is a thin flatbread topped with a mixture of minced meat, vegetables, and spices. It's a popular street food item and can be found in local eateries across Turkey. 9. Silbur. Silbur is a traditional Turkish dish consisting of poached eggs, yogurt, and often a drizzle of spiced butter. It's a unique and flavorful breakfast option. 10. Fish sandwich. Balık ekmek. If you're near the Bosphorus in Istanbul, you must try a balık ekmek, a sandwich made with grilled or fried fish, typically mackerel, served in a bun with various toppings. When exploring traditional Turkish foods and delights, make sure to visit iconic places such as the Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar in Istanbul, where you can find a wide range of local foods, spices, and sweets. Additionally, exploring the local eateries and restaurants in cities like Istanbul, Ankara, Antalya, and Gaziantep will provide you with an authentic taste of Turkish cuisine. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Travel with Wandering Souls.